In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your order on Alibaba. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, just go ahead, open up your app. And if you want to track your order, just go ahead to your Alibaba right there, click on it. And after that, you can go ahead, click on my orders. And to see your orders right there, just click on it. After that, you will manage your orders, find their number if you have any. In my case, I don't have any orders right there. And you can check the order number of your product. Then go ahead to Google Chrome or any browser, search for track Alibaba, as you can see right there. Then go to this first website, click on it, and then just type the number right there, tracking number, and you should find it. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.